In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the beneficent. Welcome to Vet Care. In today's video we will study about milk. Its standard definition, its composition, factors affecting milk composition and the terminologies related to milk content. Let's start the video. Definition of milk. Standard definition of milk is a lacteal secretion which is practically free from the colostrum. Obtained from complete milking of one or more cows. Should contain not less than 8.25% SNF, solid not fat, and 3.25% fat. Milk contains many diversified nature of substances which are usually not present in any other compound. Milk composition. Water. Water is major constituent of milk as it constitute more than 80% of whole milk. The amount of water in milk is regulated by the amount of lactose synthesized by the secretory cells of the mammary gland. The water that goes into the milk is delivered to the mammary gland by the blood. Milk production is very rapidly affected by a shortage of water and drops the same day when drinking water is limited or unavailable. This is one reason why the cow should have free access to a plentiful supply of drinking water at all times. Carbohydrates. The principal carbohydrate in milk is lactose. The concentration of lactose in the milk is relatively constant and averages about 5%, 4.8 to 5.2%. As opposed to the concentration of fat in milk, lactose concentration is similar in all dairy breeds and cannot be altered easily by feeding practices. Proteins. Milk protein is very exclusive in nature and it is the natural source of amino acids. More than 95 amino acids of total declared amino acids are available in the milk protein. Milk protein is regarded as high resource and matchless resource of amino acids. Particularly it contains many essentials amino acids which are not synthesized in our body and required for normal metabolism. The concentration of protein in milk varies from 3.0 to 4.0%. The percentage varies with the breed of the cow and in proportion to the amount of fat in the milk. There is a close relationship between the amount of fat and the amount of protein in milk. The higher the fat, the higher the protein. The protein falls into two major groups: caseins 80% and whey proteins 20%. Casein is always present in the form of calcium caseinate. It is present in the suspicion colloidal form in the milk. Fat. Normally, fat or lipid makes up from 3.5 to 6.0% of milk, varying between breeds of cattle and with feeding practices. A ration too rich in concentrates that do not elicit rumination in the cow may result in milk with a depressed percentage of fat 2.0 to 2.5%. Fat is present in milk in small globules suspended in water. Each globule is surrounded by a layer of phospholipids, which prevents the globules from clumping together by repelling other fat globules and attracting water. As long as this structure is intact, the milk fat remains as an emulsion. The majority of milk fat is in the form of triglycerides formed by the linking of glycerol and fatty acids. Minerals and vitamins. Milk is an excellent source of most minerals and vitamins required for the growth of the young. Different minerals found in milk are potassium, calcium, chloride, phosphorus, sodium, sulfur, magnesium and small amounts of trace minerals. The digestibility of calcium and phosphorus are unusually high, in part because they are found in association with the casein of the milk. Vitamin A, D, E, K, C and B complex are also found in milk.